Welcome students for the video lecture of subject concrete technology. So now today we will start with unit 4, that is concrete mix design and testing of concrete. So today's topic is topic 4.1, that is concrete mix design. So myself Rushali Mane, lecturer in Civil Department of Engineering, NIT Polytechnic, Nagpur. Vision of the institute: excellence in technical education to empower youth. Then mission: impart quality technical education to prepare students with excellent technical skills. Then develop competent and employable diploma engineers and responsible citizens. Then strengthen industry institute interaction. Then vision of the department: to impart excellent civil engineering skills to develop employable civil diploma engineers. Then mission: imparting the modern technical skills as per the requirement of the industry to improve employability, to develop social and environmental responsible civil engineers. Then effective implementation of teaching learning process to benefit students. Course outcome for this particular unit is: prepare concrete of required specifications. Unit outcome: explain the given method of concrete mix design for the given situation. Program outcome mapped here are: basic and discipline knowledge, problem analysis, design development of solution, engineering tools experimentation and testing, engineering practices for society, sustainability and environment, project management and lifelong learning. Then definition of concrete mix design. Then definition of concrete mix design: the process of selecting suitable ingredients of concrete and determining their relative proportion with the object of producing concrete of certain minimum strength and durability as economically as possible. This is the definition of concrete mix design. Means selecting suitable ingredients and their relative proportions with an object of producing concrete of certain minimum strength and durability as economically as possible. मतलब कंक्रीट भी बनाना है एक प्रॉपर प्रोपोर्शन लेके, सूटेबल इंग्रेडिएंट्स लेके, और उस कंक्रीट ने एक प्रॉपर सर्टन स्ट्रेंथ और ड्यूरेबिलिटी इकोनॉमिकली अचीव हो जानी चाहिए. इसको बोला जाता है कंक्रीट मिक्स डिज़ाइन. देन फॉर proportioning 4 factors are important. First is water cement ratio, then cement content, then gradation of aggregates and consistency. So for proportioning, water cement ratio is most important. It is totally dependent on water cement ratio to achieve strength. Then cement content also, proper cement content is to be used. Then gradation of aggregates, well graded aggregates are required. We have to use well graded aggregates to achieve strength and durability. Then consistency means our concrete should have proper consistency, so it will help us to easily perform the various concreting operations. Then objectives of mixed design. Following are the objectives of mixed design: to achieve a specified characteristic compressive strength of 28 days period. Then to achieve and maintain the specified workability of concrete mix throughout work. To have sufficient durability. To reduce wastage of concrete by correct proportioning. To have desired strength in hardened stage. To achieve the economy as much as possible by selecting appropriate concrete ingredients. To obtain maximum possible yield per bag of cement. To have satisfactory appearance. To comply with certain other specified properties and not to have certain drawbacks such as honeycombing and segregation. Then necessity of design mix: to get concrete with proper required strength, to get a concrete with sufficient durability, good appearance, to get workable concrete, to get an economical concrete. Then factors affecting concrete mix design: water cement ratio, cement aggregate ratio, gradation of aggregates, consistency. So these factors will affect the concrete. We have discussed this earlier. Water content, workability, entrapped air, field or site weather conditions, admixtures. So these factors will affect the concrete mix design. Then strength requirements. Then various methods of proportioning or mix design. First is arbitrary proportion method, Indian Road Congress, IRC 44 method, high strength concrete mix design based on flexural strength, note number 4 or grading curve method, then ACI committee 211 method, surface area method, fineness modulus method, Indian standard recommended methods IS 10262 and 82, trial method. So grades of concrete as per IS 456 1978 2000. So grade of concrete is the classification of concrete according to its compressive strength. So there are different grades of concrete as given as M10, M15, M20, M25, M30, M35 and M40. So letter M denotes mixed design with proportion of material like cement, fine aggregates, coarse aggregates. So numbers represent the predetermined cube strength of 15 cm cube after curing of 28 days in Newton per mm square. So M10 is 10 Newton per mm square compressive strength after 28 days. In M15 means 15 Newton per mm square compressive strength after 28 days. M20 means 20 Newton per mm square compressive strength after 28 days. Then ordinary concrete mixes or nominal mixes. So nominal mix is a mix considering all ratio in volume where strength and cost of concrete and strength of concrete varies. So that is called as nominal mix. So it is used in ordinary concrete involving concrete grade not higher than M20. So in nominal mix concrete grade is not higher than M20. So there is no quality control. Water cement ratio is based on durability criteria, experience and practical trials. Then proportion for nominal mix as per Indian standard. So here proportions for nominal mix as per Indian standard IS 456 2000 is given here. For M5 total quantity of dry aggregate by mass per 50 kg of cement to be taken as sum of the individual measures of fine and coarse aggregates. Then proportion of fine aggregates to coarse aggregate by mass generally 1:2, but subject to an upper limit 1:1.5 and lower limit is 1:2.5. Then minimum quantity of water per 50 kg of cement here we are given. Then proportion various it is given. For M5 proportion is 1:5:10. For M7.5 proportion is 1:4:8. For M10 1:3:6. For M15 1:2:4. For M20 1:1.5:3. So these are the various proportions for various grades of concrete. Then advantages of nominal mix concrete. The nominal mix is the perspective type concrete because the proportion is pre-decided here. Then it is easy to make at the construction site. Nominal mix. It does not take much time to decide the proportion because proportions are already given by standard code. Then no need to get skilled person for making the nominal mix concrete. Then disadvantages. It's based on the experience and the past empirical studies and it lacks a proven scientific approach. Then it may or may not create exactly desired strength unless all the other factors like compaction, water cement ratio, curing of concrete are strictly followed. If we don't take care of it, sometimes it leads to bleeding and segregation of concrete resulting in poor strength, and accordingly it hampers the durability of concrete. Then there is no consideration for properties of aggregates such as grading and density of aggregates, etc. Then sometimes cement content is used higher than requirement, which increases the overall construction cost of construction. Then no laboratory tests are conducted to ensure the quality of fresh concrete. So these are the advantages of nominal mix. Then this mix does not consider and check specific properties of individual ingredients. Then next is design mix. It is a performance based mix where choice of ingredients and proportioning are left to the designer to be decided. So the user has to specify only the requirement of concrete in fresh as well as hardened state. The requirement in fresh concrete are workability and finishing characteristics, whereas in hardened concrete these are mainly the compressive strength and durability. So for fresh concrete, workability and finishing characteristics to be considered, and for hardened concrete mainly compressive strength and durability is considered. Then advantages: design mix is more scientific than nominal mix. Mix design is widely used for more extensive and important concrete works. Then mix design is based on the actual available material to be used in construction work. Then if the locally available material can satisfy the standard criteria, it can be used for making mix design concrete, so that the mix can reduce the cost of importing material from outside. The quantity of the ingredient to be used are rational, means it's neither overused nor underused. Then it is based on the laboratory trial or error experiment method. Then it gives an assurance of strength. Mixed design concrete is performance based concrete. So the designer can use admixture rationally to modify the properties of concrete according to their requirement. Then we can use different slump by changing water cement ratio with or without the use of admixtures, so that it suits the concreting of different elements. Then disadvantages of mixed design. Mixed design is more time consuming. Then if the type or quality of design ingredients get changed during the progress of work, all the proportions will get change of mixed design concrete. Then strict supervision is required as it is important, or we may end up making a fresh design which may delay the entire project. Then it is always better to have mixed design with 2-3 possible brands of cement, and also to have aggregate from different sources. Then need the involvement of the skilled persons to prepare the mixed design. Then difference between nominal mix and design mix. So in nominal mix, prepared through prescribed cement mix ratio. Then prepared through mixed design code book IS 10262. Then nominal mix is prepared in concrete mixer in small batches. It is prepared in ready mix plants in large batches. Then nominal mix quantities are usually calculated and measured in volume. In design mix, quantities are calculated and measured in weight. Then easy to design and prepare. Nominal mix is easy to design and prepare, and design mix concrete is different types of concrete can be prepared for different environmental conditions. Then batching is done through pans and batching boxes. Then more accurate and cost effective when prepared in higher batches. Then grade more than M20 cannot be prepared. Then high strength concrete is possible in design mix concrete. So here nominal mix was earlier used. Nowadays design mix is most preferred type of concrete. Then summary. Definition of concrete mix design. Objectives, necessity, factors affecting, methods of proportioning. Then grades of concrete. Nominal mix, advantages and disadvantages. Design mix, advantages and disadvantages. Difference between nominal and design mix. Then assignment questions. State objectives of concrete mix design. Define concrete mix design. Differentiate between nominal mix and design mix. So this was about today's lecture. Thank you.